Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Happy Taco Tuesday. Today is a very icy slash snow day, so school is closed. So you guys get to work through your module today independently without any Zoom. So you can enjoy a break from Zoom today. I will be checking in on you to make sure that you're moving through your module okay. And send me a message if you need anything. And then if we need to Zoom, if you're having some trouble, I can probably always do that for you. So if you look at our morning page, I want you to read the whiteboard. And I have asked you to do something for me on there. If you figure out what it is that I would like you to do, I will give you 10 Coyote Cash so you can make some more purchases at the Coyote store. Also, if you look at the Investigate a Book picture, that is actually a link to mystery books on Epic. So if you are stuck at home today, inside, why don't you put on some PJs, make some hot chocolate, and read a good mystery today. So I hope that everyone has a wonderful, beautiful day. Send me a message in Canvas if you need anything. Good work today. Let's do our personal best.